Rivi, shh. What's up, folks? Welcome to another vlog, guys. Let me pause that. I'm actually watching another vlog. This girl I'm subscribed to, she named Naz, so I was watching her. I'm actually in the car, guys. Welcome to another vlog. I'm SK if you are new to the channel. I am just parked up in my car. I'm actually waiting for my husband. He went to get his hair cut, and we're just gonna run a couple of errands after. So we decided, like when I said we, me and my son, my baby boy River, he's in the back. I don't know if you can see him through the glass, but he's fast asleep. So I'm just here chilling in the car watching vlogs. I just had an apple pie from McDonald's. It was so nice. So yeah, I'm just parked up waiting for Sean to finish with his haircut, and then we can just hit the road. It's actually not a pretty day today. If you can see the window, it's not such a good day. So guys, what I'm actually gonna do right now is I brought my bag. See, it says Shauna K on it. And I have some makeup in there. I have all my eye pencil stuff in here and whatever for my eyes and whatever. So I'm actually gonna get some makeup done while I sit in the car and wait. So I'm gonna go to, anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go do my makeup and I'll come back to you guys probably when I'm finished. But so y'all can see the before and the after. All right. I have a video to do today. Actually, today is Thursday and I'm so running behind on this video. It's the spousal visa video, and I wanted to upload that tomorrow, Friday, which I don't think is gonna happen, so I might have to do that on Sunday, but I will see. But I said, you know what, let me just do my makeup, so as soon as I get home I can just film that video, or we can do it on the road, because I brought my notes and everything, because I had to, you know, write stuff down to prepare to do the videos. It's a lot that goes into these videos, you know, y'all. I don't just turn on the camera and just start talking, especially when I'm doing like a specific type of video with a, you know, specific topic, like a process and stuff. I jot down little points because I don't want to forget what I need to tell you guys. So I sit down and I'm like, okay, this is where I need to go, this is how I started, and you know, and every time I remember something I'm like, oh, y'all definitely need to know that, then I insert it. And yeah, so I have it in a notepad. I usually do it on my phone, but it was just so much, I was like, I needed like a book, because yeah, it was better for me. So I do have that with me. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my makeup, so when Sean is finished I'll include him in that video as well. I'll probably do most of the talking, and then I think there's a certain part in that video that I need him to explain, because he's the one that went through it, getting his fresh haircut and stuff, so he can definitely, you know, look good on the camera and stuff like that, and you know, yeah. Anyhow, I'm gonna go do my makeup and stop the chatting before River wakes up and I have to feed him. So catch you guys in a few minutes. Ooh, guys, my baby woke up when I was about to put this lash on, so it didn't even stuck properly. Oh my gosh, but maybe y'all can't even tell. Let me see. Anyways, I didn't do too bad. Right now it took me about 25 minutes. Yeah, it took me 25 minutes to get my makeup done, and now I'm here feeding him. Well, at least I'm gonna finish right in time, right? Yes. How I look, what a difference, right? Before and after. Oh my gosh. And guys, I'm just wearing MAC. I'm just wearing my MAC foundation, my MAC powder, MAC lip gloss, everything is MAC, but I have on Maybelline eyeliner, and these lashes, I think I bought them for like £2. Yeah. River, don't undress me. Look at this. Why is River trying to expose me on YouTube? Now he's got the cloth in his hand, so okay, let's just angle this over here. I don't want no nipple slip. Anyways, y'all, I finally did it. I finally joined TikTok. I feel like this eye over here look dark. What's going on? So I joined TikTok, and y'all even see, is this better? I turned the light on back here. This is so much better. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Riv, don't expose me though. Come on. Yeah, so I joined TikTok, y'all. So y'all could go and follow me on TikTok, okay? It's SKayLisha, just like my Instagram name, which is SKayLisha. So y'all could go and follow me on TikTok because I don't have any followers. I don't have any followers. And I've posted 2 videos so far, but I intend to keep posting because obviously people probably won't follow unless they see that I have other TikToks and they see a personality and all of that stuff, because I'm sure that's what it took for some of you guys to subscribe, right? Actually, you can comment that down below. How did you find my channel? What made you subscribe? And did you like watch one video and decided, oh my gosh, I like her vibes, I'm gonna subscribe? Or did you go through my channel to look through other videos to see if you actually did like me? Like, I don't know, because for me, that's what I do sometimes. If I find a channel and I'm like, oh my gosh, I love this girl's energy, I tend to go through other videos just to see if, I don't know, I'm gonna find her really enjoyable, or if it was just like a one-off. So comment down below and tell me what made you subscribe, what video did you watch first, and what made you subscribe, what makes you keep coming back, all that stuff, because that would be, it'd be nice to know that, because yeah, I don't know. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so comment down below and y'all go and follow me on TikTok. Alright, okay. ShéKayla's like, look at River trying to like, look at him. You trying to look at them? You can look, but just don't expose me, Rivy, okay? Alright. Okay, there he is. You want to say hi? Say hi. Say hi, guys. I'm just eating. He's so serious. Yeah, go back. Go and eat. Yeah, there we go. Do your thing, Rivy. I don't even need to put it in anymore, y'all. He's a pro at this. Y'all make sure go and follow him on Instagram, okay? It's Baby River Henry. Oh, Sean is calling as well. Babe?
Ready.
Oh, okay. Give me a few. I was just feeding River. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me finish up and then I'm going to come get you. Oh, where you want me to meet you, by the way? Because I can't come by the barber shop on the main road. So wherever is easier for you.
Whatever easier for you. You want to drive. Just tell me they're ready, man. Just tell me they're ready.
Okay, I'll tell you when I'm driving out. Okay. Alright then, cool. Daddy's ready, so hurry, come eat. Come. Don't be fast. He has this habit, right? So inquisitive. Every time he's eating, he feel a need to just look away like someone was talking to him in the first place. Always. Mom, you can't eat your fingers today because I have lip gloss. It's gonna mess up your fingers, Ruby. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and get Sean, and we need to go and get something for this car. I need to go and get some AdBlue to put in the car. I didn't even know anything about this AdBlue stuff. Apparently when you have a diesel vehicle, there's like another part. So apart from putting diesel, you have to put AdBlue, but it comes up every like thousands of miles and stuff like that. So we're just gonna put that in from early. We have a lot more mileage on it before it runs out, but yeah, we're gonna go and put some of that. I don't even know what I'm gonna cook. I didn't cook. I need to get something to, oh my gosh. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys a bit later. I won't kill the batteries on here either because camera, and I need to film that UK spousal video. Alright, I hopefully you guys, and that's gonna come out, the UK spouse visa video is gonna come out before this vlog. So if you're watching this video, please be sure to go and watch the UK spousal video because that's due to come out before this video. So you would have been watching this vlog 2 vlogs later. Yeah. I already filmed another vlog already, so yeah, this is like the 3rd vlog I'm doing now to come out, so it's gotta come out and y'all get it. Anyways, catch you guys later. Let me finish feeding up River, burp him, and head for Sean because it's still raining, y'all. Yeah, and I don't want him to like walk outside and wait for me and it's in the cold. So catch you guys a bit later. All right. You're so happy. Ooh, you're so happy.
Hey, you recording?
sound like? That sound like the steel pan that I used to play. Is it steel pan that you're doing? Like Tintin? Is it?
Super Mario.
Oh yeah, that is Super Mario. People, it's the next day and I feel like I left you guys hanging a little bit because I didn't even pick up the camera when I got home. Got home a bit late and I didn't even film that video that I tell you I was gonna film, but I'm gonna do that this morning actually. But just in the kitchen, we're gonna have some coffee, chill out a little bit. I'm feeling good this morning. I woke up feeling good. And why do I feel so good? Sean, do you know why I feel so good?
Why?
Can I tell you something? So, Sean, don't bother me with that, you know. I just dropped ShéKayla to school and the whole way home, I was smiling. You know why I was smiling?
Because I'm here.
Not just because yeah, Sean is going to work a bit later today, y'all. So yeah, I'm happy that you're here because usually like it's just me and River here in the morning. ShéKayla at school, Sean at work, but happy that he's at home. Yes, but that's not why I was smiling. I was smiling because I was thinking about last night. You don't remember the way you kissed me last night? You remember? You don't remember? You kind of in and out of sleep, but you wake up and kiss me. Sean wake up and kiss me. That was like, that was so.
Remember.
Sean, stop it. You don't remember. I know. You know what? I was like, I wonder if Sean can remember. I was on TikTok. Remember I tell you guys I joined TikTok and I tell you I only had like 1 follower. I got 11 followers now, people. As of this video, I have 11 followers. All right, right? Going viral now. I uploaded like 4 videos. Is it 4? I think it's like 4 videos, and them got a little buzz, you know. So people kind of following now or whatever. But Sean, while I was watching TikTok, Sean just wake up out the blue, and this is what you did to me. Sean, you don't remember for sure? No. Sean did this to me when he woke up, guys. He woke up and he did this to me. That's how slow you kissed me. And I was like, oh, okay. When he went back to sleep. Sean went back to sleep. I was like, what was that for? But it was nice. So the whole way home, I'm like thinking about that kiss. Like, I don't know. Anyways.
What time?
That was late. That was like probably midnight. I was up late, you know, on TikTok. I was up late watching TikToks and stuff like that, and yeah, you did wake up. It was late, and then you just went back to sleep, and I was like, he might remember, he might not remember. You don't remember.
I might remember at a later time, but at this point,
you don't.
Really,
that was such a nice, slow kind of kiss. Cause he wheeled me, and you know, he come forward like nice this, kiss. And he held me, and he was like, man, it wasn't no little, it wasn't that. It was a nice little like. Anyways.
I'll probably remember later on, but it's so nice.
It was nice. I was smiling the whole way home, y'all. Anyways, we're gonna go have our breakfast and we'll check back in maybe a little bit later. All right, and go and follow me on TikTok right now, SK Shalisha. Okay, they have a buzz over there.
Big buzz.
All right.
Don't make it run out of here. 11 followers on count.
Exactly. By time
next week at 12.
Make sure y'all in the top 20. Anyways, see y'all later. Sean, you hilarious. Guys, it's been several hours later and I am just here finishing up putting on my makeup. And you know what, sometimes y'all ever watch like those get ready with me type of videos? I never tend to do them because it's too time consuming, the editing of it all. Because sometimes it takes me well over an hour to do my makeup. I mean, yesterday was like a little record. It took like, how long did I take? 25 minutes, I said, right? And even now, I don't know if you guys can hear River in the background, right? But River is like busy kicking and, you know, stuff like that. So I am just quickly finishing up. Sean just left for work as well, and I wanted to do the video before he left, but unfortunately that's not gonna happen. So that's that. I need to put on some lashes. River boy. Y'all can see how I apply these lashes, right? I am just not the best, but I saw it go. I'd never said I was a makeup artist. So I'm gonna just put these lashes on. They're not gonna be like the ones from yesterday, but they'll still work. Let's put the glue on. My son is looking at me. Look at him. Let me show you guys him. Vivi, say hi. Say hi, guys. You're not gonna say hi? Let's put the glue on. See, this is the thing. Like when you do get ready with me, it's like constantly keeping the chatter going, and I need to concentrate. So that's why I never do a get ready with me type of video. All right, mister. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna have to get Sean to film to do his piece when he gets home. He's gonna get home late as well, and I hope you guys watched it already. So if you're watching this vlog and you don't know what I'm talking about, y'all go ahead and watch. Don't laugh at me the way I apply my lashes, okay? I am not the best, right, Rivi? Say, don't laugh at my mama, because she's not the best at putting these lashes on. I don't really know how to use this one, you know? This thing. I mean, I do try, but I think it meant to like clamp it down. Oh my gosh, this is not working. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can do a TikTok as well. Alright, let's put on the next one. Goodness, y'all, I hope y'all don't be like laughing at me. Like that wouldn't even be nice. You know that, right? Y'all don't laugh. I definitely need to watch some more tutorials on how to apply lashes, because this ain't it, okay? And I'm looking at a mirror in front of me if you're wondering. Jesus, is this stuck already though? What? This one gone over too much. This one is like, oh my gosh. Hopefully people don't really notice. They shouldn't be looking at my lashes. They should be paying attention to the information that I'm giving them. Okay, let's brush up my hair now. Anyway, so how are you guys doing? Comment that down below, please, and let me know if you guys actually had a really good week. Oh, Sean was calling me. Sean, I didn't know you called me. Oh my gosh. Okay, I didn't even see you were calling. Alright, love you. Alright, be safe, bye. I need to take my phone off vibrate, you know. My phone next to me and I didn't even feel it like vibrating. Oh, you want to know what I'm using? It's called Gummy Professional. Yeah, I don't really have edges, so I have to like create them sometimes, you know. And let's put it up like this. This is rose water, y'all. So I use rose water instead of setting spray on my face. I need to get River, y'all. I'm coming to get you, baby. Mommy's coming. What's up? What are you smiling for? You see your face? Say hi. Say hi, guys. Why are you making up all that noise? Can you sit here while Mommy put on her earrings? I'm gonna put on my earrings, y'all. Y'all, he's starting to sit up, as you can see. Yeah, he's getting there though. See, I'm not holding him. He's doing good, right? But he still can't really sit up that good, like unassisted like that, you know. He does this for a little bit and then he falls, but he's been doing good, right, Rivi? Ooh, that's why you've been crying, huh? That's a lot of vomit, Riviv. Is it nice to get that out, huh? Yeah. Oh no. That's why you were so fussy. Ooh, is that Amazon? I think that's Amazon, y'all. That's my package from Amazon. Hold on. That was my package from Amazon, y'all. River, it's not, well, it is for you actually. It is for you. It's a package for him because he's teething, right? So I said, you know what? Let me just get him some a teething ring. But I need to obviously wash that now and sterilize it. They always put this stuff in these big boxes. Look at this. I don't know why Amazon doesn't have these big old boxes. It's a newbie icy bite key, so I need to wash it. Hold on, Rivi. He's gonna see the color now. See? You like it? Mommy needs to wash it though, okay? Let's wipe your mouth. You got some vomit on your lip. Mommy need to wash this first. And then when I wash it, We're gonna put it in the freezer so this can get all frozen and you can chew on it, Rivi. Yay, you like that? Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna go get him settled and see if I can film this video. I might need to put him to sleep before I start filming the video because it's an informational video and we can't have little River in there. Right? You gotta stay quiet for mommy or else you're gonna have to go to sleep. Okay? Alright people. Rivi, shh. Oh wow, okay. Guys, I'm about to start my video. It's not gonna work out right now. River won't stay quiet. Oh my gosh. I was literally just about to start my video. Y'all see me in a nice little setting already. Ready, steady. Not happening. Rivi, River. Yeah, I'm about to go and do the video now. Can you hear that? Listen. He's in the bedroom. I put him on the bed and the laptop is in there and he's listening to nursery rhymes and having the time of his life right now. So I'm gonna quickly film that video because geez. So I got him on the camera here. I can watch him on the camera. So I'll keep the camera like this on my phone and keep an eye on him like that because jeez. All right, let me get into this video. I'll catch you guys after I finish filming it. All right, okay. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am SK. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So as you can see from the video title, as you can see from the video title, moving to the UK from the US, the UK spousal visa process. He won't let me finish, y'all. I'm so sorry. This is what happens when you have a baby. Oh my gosh. If daddy was home, daddy would hold you until mommy finished the video. Whew. Guys, I am all done with filming the video. All right. Thank the Lord for that. And guess what? I am running late to get ShéKayla, so I just strapped in River. Make sure he's strapped in. Make sure, because you know when you rush, sometimes if you're rushing and you have a baby, make sure that the baby is strapped in before, because sometimes when you're rushing you tend to just slip up. So here he's strapped in and ready. I know ShéKayla is gonna call. She's gonna call because her mommy is running late. I hate to be late for her, but anyway, she'll probably be hanging out with her friends just a few minutes after school. Y'all know how it goes, so she'll be all right. My camera tends to like focus on my steering wheel instead of focusing on me, so I do apologize if I seem very, very blurry, but I think it's the positioning of the camera, which I cannot reposition right now. I can't reposition it now because I'm driving, so that just has to stay like that, recording. Kayla,
where are you?
I am late, girlfriend.
How far are you gonna, like, you know?
I'm gonna 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yeah, I'll try and be quick. All right, bye-bye.
Okay.
She got out early. Oh my gosh. Guys, I actually still need to cook But you know, it's Friday and I don't usually cook on a Friday. I'm not gonna lie. I don't normally cook on a Friday. I hate cooking on Fridays. I think Fridays for me just one of them days where I don't know, it's just like to chill. So I don't usually cook on a Friday. So I don't know what. And Sean isn't getting home till late, so I don't know. I might get takeout or we'll see. But I'm starving right now. I didn't even have lunch because it took forever for me to complete that video. So hopefully you guys would have already watched it, and that video is for tomorrow. It's for Sunday, so I have to spend the whole day tomorrow just kind of editing that. But the good thing about sit down video, they're very easy to edit because you're literally just sitting down and I'm just cutting through, whereas vlogs, it's in different places and you kind of just have to piece them together, because sometimes you film with one camera, then you switch to another one, and to combine the footage sometimes it's like 4 hours of footage, whereas if it's sit down, it shouldn't take me no longer than an hour and a half tops to complete the whole thing, thumbnail and all. So we'll see anyways. But it took me forever because River was just all up in it. So if you guys watched it, y'all would have seen him, like hear him there making noise, and then eventually I had to pick him up and finish the vlog with him, finish the video with him in my hand. Oh, madness, things I have to go through. I even made a TikTok as well, so hopefully you guys are following me on TikTok. You know, guys are up to 11 followers now. You need to go and follow me and be in the top 20. Because when I blow up on the TikTok, y'all could say, yeah, I've been there from the beginning, from before she even learned how to edit the TikToks properly. So y'all go ahead and follow me on TikTok, okay? It's SK Shalisha, same as my Instagram name. So y'all go ahead and follow. Oh, I need to go and create a TikTok, what you call it, so I could put on the screen just like I have Facebook and Instagram. I need to create one for TikTok now that I'm on TikTok as well, so that could pop up on y'all screen sometimes to remind you guys to go and follow me. Okay, I got over 4,000 of you guys on here, and my Instagram, I think I have like 1,000 and something followers. Where y'all at? TikTok, 11 followers. Where y'all at? Make sure y'all go and follow me on TikTok as soon as you watch this video. Okay, all right. So yeah, I'm headed for ShéKayla now, and we're gonna go and see if we get something to eat. ShéKayla won't even be home tomorrow because she's going to spend the weekend by her dad. So yeah, she won't be home. Looks like it'll just be River and I tomorrow, because Sean is going into work as well on Saturday. He never worked on a Saturday before. This is gonna be the first Saturday that he actually is going in to do work. So yeah, he won't be home. So it's just me and River by ourselves tomorrow, and then ShéKayla will be back on Sunday for school on Monday. So yeah, anyways, I guess I will see you guys a bit later. I feel so pretty. My lash is still on. I don't even know if my lash is still on. Anyways, yeah. Is River sleeping? Oh, he's not even sleeping. Okay, River is going to sleep now. Now he goes to sleep. After I wanted him to go to sleep so I could finish that video, he's like, nah, I ain't going to sleep. He did fall asleep briefly, but yeah. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next clip, okay?